Welcome to Easy English Practices. On today's general knowledge quiz, we'll look at some scientific terms. Please do well to watch to the end, comment your score and subscribe to this channel. What is the study of ocean called? Hydrology, limnology, oceanography, marine biology. What is the study of rocks and Earth's physical structure called? Geology, seismology, geography, mineralogy. What is the study of bacteria called? Epidemiology, mycology, bacteriology, parasitology. What is the study of bird called? Ornithology, herpetology, ichthyology, mammalogy. What is the study of plants called? Biology, botany, horticulture, agriculture. What is the study of weather called? Climatology, geology, meteorology, aerology. What is the study of space called? Astrology, astronomy, cosmology, meteorology. What is the study of trees called? Dendrology, horticulture, agronomy, forestry. What is the study of fish called? Ichthyology, cetology, malacology, conchology. What is the study of Earth called? Geography, meteorology, astrology, geology. What is the scientific study of insects called? Arachnology, ornithology, herpetology, entomology. What is the study of disease called? Pathology, mycology, virology, microbiology. What is the study of humans called? Psychology, anthology, sociology, anthropology. What is the study of animals called? Biology, zoology, botany, ecology. What is the study of human mind and behavior called? Psychiatry, physiology, neurology, psychology. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment your score, share, and subscribe.